So at this session, we will discuss on the virtual address, which is there is the consequences of the virtual address that's need to be distributed, which is into the PML4, PDPT, PD, PT, and offset. Each of the virtual address split is became the allocations for the memories themselves to distribute it into the system. So at this function, we will talk on the overall workflow and the distributions that's needed to be used for the virtual address into the functions, and the route of the functions themselves at the original repo, and to see the differences on the distributions. So there is the distributions of the 64-bit virtual address, which is split into fields, which is PML4, PDPT, PD, PT, and offset. PML4 is 47 to 39, PDPT is 38 to 30, PD is 29 to 21, PT is 20 to 12, and offset is 11 to 0. So there is the conceptuals of the virtual address is to mask the bit shift, and it happened at the CR3 to the base of the PML4. So it is defined with PGD index address, PGD shift, and PTRS for PGD. This function is at pgtable.h, which is there is the repo link, and at the below define PGD index A to PGD shift and PTRs per PGD, but this is unidentified how it works, but it flow into this page. So it is to set the PML4. So the value of the PML4 for x86-64 is PGD shift is 39, PTRS per PGD is 512, mask OX1FF. And this is the PML4 selector. There's the bit operations, which is combinational logic, which is include the right shift and mask, which is there's alignment too. There is the virtual address. This is the process of the virtual address. This is the level paging. Eventually there is the level paging. You could see the level paging. So this is the level for the kernel and fixed map, which is pgtable 64. This is the detail of the each virtual address split: PML4 at PGD index, P4D at P4D index, PUD at PUD index, PMD at PMD index, and PT at PTE index, which has different function. So this became the 64-bit layout, which is 0 for present, 1 for writable, 2 for user accessible, and continuous. And there is the page table pointer, which is the physical address of next level page table. This is the real PGD value, and this is the physical address of the next table. So there is the implications of the PGD and the P4D. So So eventually there is the same value for PG dir shift and P4D shift. So the PG dir shift is assigned at 39.2 for PML4, and P4D shift is 39. So that's the constant of the P4D. That's became the differences of the assignment of the VA split. Eventually there is the workflow on the page table for P4D and the page fault, which is could be explained at the next session. So this is the VA split processes to P4D index, PUD index, PMD index, PT index, and offset. So the P4D index turns out that it is the same with PML4 or P4D, so it is basically the same. So thank you so much to tune in at this channel. I'm sorry if there is the difference on the informations. I'm still new at this research, and thank you so much.